Gondor multifunctional screw conveyor. Customized services. Thickened spiral auger blades. Spiral transmission is more efficient. Pure copper core motor. Strong power and stable operation. Easily adjustable discharge height. Adapt to a variety of machines. Large feed port design. 0 to 180 degrees adjustable angle. Ensure fast and uniform conveying. Low noise, low energy consumption. Efficient and stable transportation. Vertical design with high space utilization. Unique U-shaped structure. Can be horizontal or vertical. Quick installation time saving. Modular assembly, easy splicing. Stainless steel trough, anti-corrosion. Convenient to move. Efficient conveying, continuous feeding. Can be customized on demand. Applicable products.